and today I'm going to be telling you all about snakes. Snakes are just like a weapon, therefore I will split them into three categories: the axe, the sword, and the bow. Let's take the axe. The axe does miss a vital chemical that all of the other snakes have. The chemical is called venom. The venom is the chemical that when snakes inject their fangs into you, it might shut down your lungs and do other disastrous things. The axes don't use venom, but they still do something which is very hard for you to live, including the lungs. They shut down the lung system not by using any sort of chemicals, they use their own body. They suffocate you, and some which live in the water drown you to death and then eat you. Human occurrences are rare, but other animals are known to have been to death lots of times. The axes aren't very special because they're not fast, as they weigh tons and tons. Actually, the heaviest snake on earth is a python, is a reticulated python, which is part of the axis. The pythons, the anacondas, and the constrictors are all part of the axe family. The swords would be a big challenge to the axes, especially some which are cannibals, such as the king cobra. The king cobra is one of the most feared snakes in the snake realm. The king cobra is actually the most cleverest snake and is feared of humans, luckily. If human occurrences do happen, it will almost be at 100% death. If you want to know how a black mamba or a king cobra would be in a battle, it would be a clear answer, as the king cobra would eat the black mamba if it won. The black mamba is the fastest and known to be venomous snake in the world. The taipan is also a very dangerous snake. The taipan comes from Australia, and it would never meet the king cobra or black mamba. None of these snakes would actually meet because they live in different parts of the world. But if you do put a king cobra and a black mamba into the same box, the king cobra would stand out as a winner. If you see what the good things and the bad things are about the swords, there are not much bad things, except that some are too slow or they use the wrong tactics. Camouflage is also another tactic for snakes, and they are actually very common in the deserts. If we compare the axes and the swords, then the swords would become the victor, but the bows will be another challenge. The bows, otherwise known as the western-spitting cobra, spits venom into your eyes, so you have to wear goggles. These aren't much dangerous if you don't have goggles, but in some cases, if you're walking to school or you're just out for a walk and these snakes do come, they will be highly dangerous. If it goes onto your skin, you don't have to worry. However, if you have any cuts and the venom gets inside you, then that's another problem. The bows and the swords would be very two challenging snakes if they would go onto each other. So I am not sure which one would stand out as the winner. There's many other snakes, such as some fly and some run away, because snakes are actually more feared to us than we are to them. Thank you for watching, and this has been my